Hi, thanks for watching this video from Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a Hyundai i20. So again, not our normal car. We normally deal in VW, Audi, Skodas and Porsches. Just came in from a local customer. They've owned it from nearly brand new. It actually had recorded as a demonstrator. First of all, at Hyundai, and then they've owned it ever since then. So really nice looking car in my opinion for a little city car or first car. When you compare them to things like Corsas, etc., I think it looks quite a nice thing, and quite a good spec on these as well. So you've got the parking sensors, you've got Bluetooth, you can stream your music, multifunction steering wheel, electric windows all round, electric mirrors. So yeah, I think they're really a quite nice thing. 6-speed gearbox as well. Most of the spec is going to be on the advert of the car. The video is really just to show you the condition. There'll be a lot of photos on there as well. So if there's anything that you think we've missed or you'd like to know, just drop us an email or give us a ring. We do viewing by appointment only, just so that you don't have a wasted trip and the car's available for you when you come. Every car has 12 months MOT. It's just had 4 brand new tyres fitted and it's just been serviced. We can offer part exchange and a warranty as well, which can be extended. Thanks for watching.